Hi, how are you? Come on in. The Delpratt family is proud to introduce to you Lancewood Meadows. This is located in Banham Heights, Exchange to St. Anne. This is a wonderful development that I'm sure you're going to appreciate. But today we're in the 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So let's take a look. We're now in the living room, dining area, and just so you can appreciate the space that is here, we now have our established, oh by the way, this is a people house. You can't buy it. The units are going fast, and if you do want one of these units, reach out to us. Check out the comment section, or phone number is there, or email address is there. All of our social media handles are there, so you can definitely contact us. All right. So this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and as usual, this is the space that this particular person wants it to be. I've made it into. I love the curtains. I love the windows. It lets in a ton of light. Right now we are inside, the door is closed, and we are filming. Right? In some places that's a problem. Tons of light coming from these 2 windows, and of course you can definitely maximize your seating space, so you can have all the talking and watching and video playing that you want in this space. Okay? Fitted dining area is right here, but you also have your countertop. So if you don't want to go with a dining table, this is already positioned for you to dine. It has a nice little, let me position this for you. Nice little area here with the space underneath for you to comfortably sit and eat. So you have your breakfast counter, your dinner counter, your everything counter, your work counter, anything you want it to be. Okay? Use your imagination, let it fit into your purpose. Okay? So by the way, the square footage is 1100, and you have space to the back for those persons who will be looking to expand. You can expand to the back. Okay? The kitchen. I love the size of the kitchen. So the kitchen has tons of space for you to stand and work. But, you know, I always talk about when we come to kitchen and also storage space. So let's check it out. Now, for these cupboards that are low down, we have cupboard space. You have the drawer spaces right here with tons of space for you to put all of your cutleries and stuff like that. But we also have these spaces. And even, this is an area that most persons would ignore and leave blank, but look, space in there for you to store. I really appreciate good storage. When you move into a home, that's when you're gonna realize I don't have any place to put my stuff. All right, now let's take in over here as well. I mentioned space over here, I mentioned space up there, and with a nice over-the-range microwave. Nice space over here that can fit your big refrigerator. All right, you have space up there, space over here for your pantry. But let's not leave the kitchen without highlighting 2 things. Quartz countertop, expensive, and also the natural wood cupboards. I love the color. I love how it looks. It looks like quality. I'm telling you, I'm here looking at it, it looks like quality, right? So I love the cupboards. I love the all natural wood. I love the space that covers this big old area in the kitchen, letting in a lot of light. Because when you're in your kitchen at work, sometimes you need to open the window to get the breeze in. Also, the sunlight turn up the mood in the room when the work is going on. We're going into the laundry room. It's another area that we love to talk about storage, love to talk about space. And this is, come on in. So this is now the laundry room. We're looking at the space here that this person has utilized. This is a top, this is a washer and dryer combo positioned right here with tons of space to both sides. So if you want to put a counter in here for you to fold your clothes, put your laundry on, if you want to make your laundry room custom, like, you know, them people that on TikTok, we have them custom laundry room, where they want them TikTok video, you can do that here. There are actually space right here, so there are storage space that is right here as well. The same material that is used for the kitchen is also carried into the laundry room, so you do have space to store all of your stuff in here. And I love that. I love that it's not blank, but you actually have something really nice to start with. All right, come along to the other rooms. This way for the bedroom. Our first bedroom is going to be our primary bedroom, right here. As we enter, we have the bathroom to our left. Just a quick glance. As we enter, the bathroom is to the left right here. So this is actually an ensuite, okay? As we enter through the door, we have our bathroom. And let's look at the bathroom first, okay? So this is the design of the bathroom. Let me get out of the way for you to see. So it's a all white theme with our brown natural tone colors coming through. A nice niche right there. Look at the countertop. The countertop as a space, okay? So for those ladies who want your counter space to do your stuff in the morning, in the evening, counter space is here. All right, tons of space. I love the space in the bathroom as well, and it looks very nice, very clean, very chic, very modern. And trust me, you also, I want to highlight this particular thing about the bathroom. Storage space again. And I know probably I talk about it so much, but for those mommies and daddies, or for those people who move into your space and you start living in the space, then these things become very necessary, okay? So for you to have your drawer space, for you to put your shaving stuff, your makeup stuff, your this or your that. You don't have to have your toothbrush out here. You can put the toothbrush down there. You know always I go on already. Come on on social media, right? You know other thing them set. You have all this space to store and to live and to just feel at home. Now let's look at the entirety of the bedroom. This is the bedroom space. This is a king bed in this space, so you can appreciate the room that is given here, the room size, sorry, here with this king bed, and it's pulled away from the wall a great deal. So you can see the side, the space to the sides right here. I also want to point out the fact that we have our windows. So if you want to have darkness, of course, you have your blinds, you have your curtains, then you can have darkness. But you see, when it's time to have light, let there be light. Okay? We have our dresser over here. Look at the big space between the bed and the dresser, and the bed is far away from the wall. What am I saying? I'm saying that this room is a pretty good sized room. It's a big room. And when we look right ahead of me right here, we have our closet. And the closet runs all along this line. So you have a good space to store your clothing. And I love this. If you've been watching our videos long enough, you know what I always pay special attention to the ones to this, when they have storage areas or cabinets, you know, running at the top of the closet, because that means that they've already gone ahead, thought about you, thought about what you would need when you're in the space, took away all the sheets and all them something that we're not use right now. So perfect, chef's kiss. I love it. Something to note: base moldings running throughout the home, and that is an additional feature that we definitely have to pay attention to. Porcelain tiles on the floor. I love the tile colors. It's modern, it's clean lines as well, running through the space. All right, let's go to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is right across the hall from bedroom number 1, and this is the space. So we have our twin beds right here, 2 twin beds, a ton load of spacing. So if you are thinking about the second room being for 2 children, ideal. Them not have to even brush on each other when them in the room, though that would be ideal. You can have your space right here for furniture, and also furniture on either sides of the bed. That is the amount of space that we have here. So this room also is pretty good in size. And remember that this unit is 1,100 square feet. So that is also a big big unit, right? For a single level. We have the closet space right here, and we also have additional storage up top, base moldings running through this room, and 2 big old windows to let in the lights. All right. So the second bathroom is actually shared between the second bedroom and the living space. So when you do have visitors, it will be the bathroom that they would use. Tons of space as well, the same theme as the primary bathroom, but I do like the clean lines. Now you notice that we have our fixed frame showers. Here we have the space looking very modern, very chic in this space as well, and the space is phenomenal. Like, the space is a really good size space for a bathroom, right? Big windows for the bathroom. That has been a running theme that we've seen so far, and I'm certainly loving it. I mean, we've all gone through those spaces where we have the bathroom window being this tiny little thing. But I personally appreciate a good sized bathroom window, letting the breeze, we can keep the space fresh, and the lights. Can't stop that about my lights. So coming back from the bedrooms, from the hall that leads to the bedroom, we didn't mention that we have tray ceilings in the living room. Yeah. So this is what the outside of the unit looks like. Currently, we have fresh landscaping being done right here. We have our sidewalks right there. Oh, and remember, these units are currently being built. So you may see persons doing their construction, all right? So keep that in mind. So we do have our landscaping being done right here. You do get your driveway paved already, and a space is left here for your greenery to come up. We can show you some of the lawns that have already been done and see how that is looking. So you can see the potential of the outside space. There is also space to the back for you to do your expansion at the back. And of course, you have your very long driveway. So if you have 5 car, 10 car, I don't know how much car you have, but they can fit right here, okay? So let us know what you think about this unit in the comment section. Most importantly, hit us up. Our numbers are below. If you want this unit or any other unit, you know who to call, the Delpratt family. We got you. We got you. So you may be wondering if this is the only unit type being sold here at Landswood Meadows. No, it's not. We also have in another video to come a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath townhouse that you're going to be elated to see. All right, this community also boasts a clubhouse with a pool and a gym, and of course it's going to be so fantastic, and we're going to catch a glimpse of the pool area. So stay tuned to the Delpratt family. By the way, have you guys subscribed yet? If you do not subscribe, what not wait for? What not wait for? If you've watched 2 of our videos, in fact I dare to say if you've watched this video in its entirety, you must subscribe. You must subscribe. Yeah, you should. Subscribe to the Delpratt family. Remember to give us a big thumbs up on this video. Comment down in the comment section what you like about this property. I certainly love the price point. I like the size of the units. I love the size of the 2 bedrooms. I love the size of the bathrooms. These are areas that sometimes are, you know, a little bit compromised on in some of our developments where we have a smaller size bedroom, but you have tons of space to work with. The location being so close to the town of Otrius. Otrius, they're right there. So the nice pool them and the good pot of St. Mary would like to see, they're right there. So like, what can you ask for? Ideal location.
Oh, White River just down the road.
White River down the road, and Blue Old up the road. Literally in this community, Blue Old is up the road. I think Spanish Bridge up the road too.
Yeah.
So you guys are close to a lot of central attractions. You're close to the town square. Literally, like just a drive, boom boom, and you reach. Right. So that is it for us in this video, Mr. Delpratt.
Yeah, man. Thanks, guys,
for watching.
All right. We out.
Peace.